July 2025, the smartphone war begins. Flagship killers, dream phones, all in 1 month. The Nothing Phone 3, Snapdragon 8's Gen 4, Glyph LED 2.0, 12 gigabytes RAM, and a massive 5,000 milliamp hour battery. Minimal design, maximum style. OPPO Reno 14 and 14 Pro, powered by Dimensity 8450 with a stunning 6.83-inch OLED, Sony LYT camera, and 80W fast charging. This one's made for creators and style lovers alike. OnePlus Nord 5, Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3, a massive 16 gigabytes RAM, 512 gigabytes storage, and 5,500 milliamp hours of raw backup. All-day battery and flagship vibes, without the price tag. The Nord CE5 is no joke. Snapdragon 6, Gen 1, 6.7-inch AMOLED display at 120 Hz and 80-watt charging. Everything smooth, everything fast. Samsung's Z Fold 7, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, massive AMOLED foldable display, and under-display camera. S Pen support and multitasking made legendary. The Z Flip 7 is your pocket rocket. Bigger cover screen, 8 gigabytes RAM, 4,300 milliamp hour battery, and FlexCam 2.0. Vivo X Fold 5, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, Zeiss camera tech, and a luxurious foldable AMOLED display. Fold it, flaunt it. Vivo X 200 FE, Dimensity 8300 Ultra, 120 Hz smooth, 5,000 milliamp hour backup, pure budget flagship. These are the wonderful lookers dropping this July. Which one are you waiting for? Drop a comment below. Get the discount link after launch. Thank you for watching. Your dream phone. It's not far now. It's coming. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Motivator's Mind.